Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to create Google Form survey questionnaire, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open your Google Chrome browser. Then you can find this 9 dot button here that actually Google Apps. Now from here, you can just scroll down and search for the forms here. So this is actually the Google Forms where you can create survey questionnaires. So if you want to create a new survey questionnaire, then you can simply click on that plus icon and it will actually create the blank question, the blank form that you can use. Now here is untitled form. You can select the title that are you satisfied with your work? And yes, this is a title. Now from here you can input some form this description. Actually you can explain, or you can just type that anything you want, like related to this form, that this is a survey questionnaire. Sorry, not this actually. So questionnaire. It your opinion will not be shared in anywhere. Then you can add something like you can make it bold. You can make a bold texture. So answer the following questions. Sorry. Questions only. Oh, I have just select this. So bold. Only if you are an employee and you are at least your age. You can make it your age is at least 30 years. So that's pretty much cool here. So I'm going to add something like I can add some number list here, or we can add some bullet list here. So bullet list is pretty cool here. So make sure you answer by your experience you can not this actually. So experience only multiple answers are not acceptable. So just like this, you can add more details here if you want. So then the survey team can survey team can get to you through your mail. Yes, just like this. So you can add a question here. So I'm going to add this as a question here. Need your opinion for improving workplace. Just like this, you can add it workplace, and yeah, just like this. And are you satisfied with your work? So you can use multiple choice or these check boxes, or from here you can simply click on this drop down and you can find the short answer if you want to give them short answer. But we are using the questionnaire, survey questionnaire, so we can add some like this, like column here. So multiple choice here you can see. So just here you can see the number 1 or 2, not this actually. So I'm going to add this here. So let me show you how you can add like this. So for that you have to select the linear scale, and here you can select the linear this scale here from the linear scale, and I'm going to select it to 1 to 4 here. So the level here, that actually the optional, like I'm going to add it that not satisfied, more satisfied, totally satisfied. And just like this you can add this, and you can just simply add an image here from here. So you can add some descriptions if you want. So that's how you can add that question here. Then you can find the responses and you can publish it. I'm going to show you. You can simply click on publish, and let's see how it's look like. Now here you can see publish here. So I can get this here. So then you can simply duplicate this same question here like this. Here you can see it will look like this, so they can actually select not satisfied here. So they can also add something like they can rate it in this how much they are satisfied, or they are to the fourth. If they go to this right side, as much as they go to the right side, that means they are indicating that they are how much they are satisfied in their work. So you can also add some more here, and from here you can add another thing like you want improvement in your work environment? Yes, sorry, the no or the yes, like this. You can duplicate it again like this. It will look like this. You can delete the last one here, so it will look like actually this. Now you can just publish it. You can simply click on publish and save here, and from here you can find responses here. So you can get all the responses that you can link with your sheets, that so the responses can get listed in your sheets automatically. Now in settings you can make this as quiz. So assign points, value, set answers, and automatically provide feedback. So it can make it by quiz, or you can add the responses, manage how responses are collected and protected. You can simply expand that and collect email addresses if you want. So then you can collect email addresses here like verified or responder input here, and they said responders a copy of their responses. If you want, so then you can allow it by click on this always button here. So allow response editing, if you want, so they can edit their responses here. Limit to one response, so one Gmail are allowed to response only for once. So that's how you can just make the settings here. Now the presentations here, you can see something like configure something like from here you can find the form defaults here. So collect email addresses by default, so you can collect the email addresses. Question defaults here, make question required by default, so you can make the question required, so you can record that question that here you can see they have to input the email address here. So that's actually I'm going to divide it. Sorry, and from here you can add this more section here. You can input question, or you can add title and descriptions, and you can also add some videos from here. Also you can colorize this section here. From here you can say select the text sizes here, the text color here, the text style here. You can add all the text here from here. So just like this, you can also add some custom color here, so you can add the background if you want, so just like this you can add the background if you want. So I'm going to change it to like this, and the text from here, so I'm going to text it like Georgia. Each of them will be Georgia, just this, and yeah, just like this. And you can send it to, you can share it to among people. So and you can all select the title, and you can make that from titles here just like this, and you can simply share, click on this share button here, and it is loading, and you can share it among people. So here you can see view editors view if you want, so it will be restricted, make it restricted if you want don't want to people look all the responses here. Then you can find the responder view, so you can select it anyone with the link, so you can select it, and you can just simply click the copy responder link here, and you can simply click on done, and you can share the link between the peoples, and you can get surveys from here, and they can actually get the answers. So I'm going to see how it's work. I'm going to paste this talk here, and just like this here you can see. Okay, so I can just add this and email address, and I'm going to add the email address here. So just like this, let me select my email address, I'm going to paste it, and yeah, I'm satisfied here. So yes, satisfied like this, and I want this medium. Now you can simply click on submit, and you can submit this by yourself, and here you can see one responses is here. So here you can see the one responses and the analytics from here, so the email that I have just collected. So that's how you can easily create a survey questionnaire by the Google form. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.